What if you could drop your body fat into the single digits and build a chiseled chest, shoulders, and core, using just one move, no gym, no weights? Most people spend hours switching from machine to machine, yet their bodies never change. You are wasting time, and here is exactly how to fix it. Here is the science. When you just do cardio to lose fat, your body burns away your muscle for fuel. You end up skinny fat. To get lean and muscular at the same time, you need a high stimulus movement that triggers muscle growth while skyrocketing your heart rate. That move is the Navy Seal Burpee. Here's your 3-step blueprint for max results. Step 1. The form. Drop into a plank. Do a strict push-up. Bring your right knee to your chest. Do a second push-up. Left knee to chest. Do a third push-up, then explode up. That is 1 rep. Keep your core locked tight. Step 2. The training. Set a timer for 10 minutes. See how many perfect reps you can do. Next week, beat that total number by just 2 reps. This is progressive overload, forcing your muscles to grow. Step 3. The fuel. You cannot out-train a bad diet. Eat in a modest 300-calorie deficit and hit 1 gram of protein per pound of target body weight. This forces your body to burn fat, not muscle. By week 3, your brain will scream at you to quit. The scale might even stop moving. This is where 90% of people fail. But the scale lies. When you build muscle and lose fat at the same time, your weight stays steady, but your body changes completely. Trust the science. Keep moving. You have the blueprint. No more excuses. Comment below with your biggest hurdle right now. Is it the diet or staying consistent? Let's fix it together. Hit subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.